Welcome back to OnShape, the online tool we'll be using for the FTC season of 2020 to 2021. My name is Jada, and I'm with my team to teach you the next steps in the sketching process on OnShape. We are going to start at the beginning of OnShape, just after you log in and create a new project. We're going to name this one Practice 2.
After it loads, you can see on the upper ribbon the new tools we will be learning today. Let's start out with a simple rectangle. Click on the shape and click and drag your new shape. Next, we are going to add a point in our rectangle. These points are used to detail your designs and add prominent points in your sketches. They make perfect placeholders.
Once we put down our point, we are going to add some text to our design. Make sure when you are placing your text that the box is not too large and won't mess up your design. The text tool has many options. You can bold, italicize, and even change the font. The size of the lettering is determined by the size of your original box. For this project, we will say hello.
Once this is done, you can see the dotted line next to the solid line. This dotted line is called a construction line and is not referenced when extruding projects. The next tool, construction, means you can add your own construction lines. You can test it out on the original rectangle we created. However, we're going to keep the build lines as they were.
Our next tool is the fillet, which allows you to bend the corners of your design and get rid of any sharp angles. We're just going to add a small dip in each of our corners, enough to smooth the edges of the design. Next, the trim, split, and extend tool. Notice the trim and extend tool have shortcuts. More detailed instructions are illustrated when you hover over one of the tools. Be sure to practice and explore with each one.
Here are a few examples of things you can do. Next are the offset and slot tools. Offset creates the designs both smaller and larger than the original design. We're going to make a new shape as well as a smaller circle further into the design. The slot tool creates shapes around the design that create openings for the object. These tools take your CAD sketches further.
The next two tools create mirror designs and patterns. We're going to use the object we just created as well as the original point and create more of the same object. This helps when modeling repeated structures. After the import tool, we have the dimensions tool and connecting tools. The dimensions tools make sure that your design is the correct size and distance. This helps when modeling your CAD design in real applications. The connecting tools make sure your design is one with each shape. You don't want to miss the small spaces that could be left between objects for your final project. Make sure to explore each and find ones that work with each project.
And you've reached the end of your sketching tools. I want to wish you the best of luck in all your sketches, and always explore more models and ideas to improve. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos about CAD and robotics. See you all in the next video.